What is inside the power factor saver? This can really help to reduce electricity bills. The real truth about the household power saver device. Is it true that it can protect appliances, anti-theft electricity, lighting protection, overheating protection, as well as line loss prevention? It is generally used in residential homes to save energy and to reduce electricity bills. It is a small device which is to be plugged in any of the C sockets in the house, mostly near energy meter. Moreover, some of the companies claim that their power savers save up to 40% of the energy. Many people believe that the claims made by the power savers manufacturing companies are false. Almost all people who buy power savers do it to reduce their electricity bills. Many people who have used these power savers said that they could reduce their electricity bills with the devices. However, the reduction was not as much as they had expected. However, they could not figure out if the reduction in electricity bills was due to the power savers or because of their efforts to reduce their electrical usage. Working principle of power saver as per manufacturer. It is known that the electricity that comes to our homes is not stable in nature. There are many fluctuations, rise and falls, and surges, spikes in this current. This unstable current cannot be used by any of the household appliances. Moreover, the fluctuating current wastes the electric current from the circuit by converting electrical energy into heat energy. This heat energy not only gets wasted to the atmosphere, but also harms the appliances and wiring circuit. Power saver stores the electricity inside of it using a system of capacitors, and they release it in a smoother way to normal without the spikes. The device also automatically removes carbon from the circuit, which also encourages a smoother electrical flow. This means that we will have less power spikes. More of the electricity flowing around the power saver device can be used to power appliances. Basically, it is claimed that power savers work on the principle of surge protection technology. Power savers work on straightening this unstable electric current to provide a smooth and constant output. The fluctuation in voltage is unpredictable and cannot be controlled. However, the power savers utilize current fluctuation to provide a usable power by acting like a filter and allowing only smooth current to pass through the circuit. Power savers use capacitors for this purpose. When there is a surge of current in the circuit, the capacitor of the power saver stores the excess current and releases it when there is a sudden drop. Thus, only smooth output current comes out of the device. Moreover, a power saver also removes any type of carbon in the system, which facilitates further smoother flow. The main advantage of power savers is not that they provide a backup system in times of low current, but that it protects the household appliances. It is known that a sudden rise in the power can destroy the electrical appliance. Thus, the power saver not only protects the appliance but also increases its life. Moreover, they also reduce the energy consumption and thus the electricity bills. The amount of power saved by a power saver depends on the number of appliances on the electrical circuit. Also, the system takes at least a week to adapt itself fully to the circuit before it starts showing its peak performance. The maximum amount of voltage savings will be seen in areas wherein the current fluctuation is the highest. In contrast to the power saver company claims, many companies are advertised that their power saver unit are able to save domestic residential power consumption by employing an active power factor correction method on the supply line. The concept seems pretty impressive as the concept is true and legally accepted, but practically, we will find that it's not feasible. Manufacturers claim that the above problem may be solved by installing a well-calculated inductor capacitor network and switching it automatically and appropriately to correct these fluctuations. A power saver unit is designed exactly for this purpose. This correction is able to bring the level of PF very close to unity, thus improving the parent power to a great extent. An improved apparent power would mean less current consumption by all the domestic appliances. The utility bill which we pay is never based on apparent power curve, but it is based on real power curve. The utility bill that we pay is never for the apparent power, it's for the real power. According to some experts, by reducing current consumption does not reduce power bills of household consumer. They simply proves that although the power correction done by an energy saver may decrease the amperage of the appliances, it can never bring down their power consumption and the electric bill amount. Power factor correction devices improve power quality but do not generally improve energy efficiency, meaning they would not reduce your energy bill. There are several reasons why their energy efficiency claims could be exaggerated. Adding a capacitor can increase the line voltage to dangerous levels because it interacts with the incoming power transmission lines. Adding a capacitor to a line that has harmonic frequencies created by some electronic equipment on it can result in unwanted resonance and high currents. For commercial facilities, power factor correction will rarely be cost-effective based on energy savings alone. The bulk of cost savings power factor correction can offer is in the form of avoided utility charges for low power factor. Based on my experience, since last year, after I used the device, there was a little bit changes with our consumption. However, manufacturers are not good enough to old products that functioning well. Sometimes, they sent defective products just like mine. Thank you for watching. God bless. Keep safe.